Well, after a brief winter blast, the first half of January does not feel like winter. Here's Olga.
Yeah, we're definitely riding this wave of mild temperatures. I have our calendar up so far. We had that one little blip toward last week, the end of last week, where we saw some of that chilly weather, the wintry weather moving on through, but all is quiet now. Other parts of the country are dealing with a polar blast. We have a dip in our polar jet, which is coming all the way down into the southern states, and that's allowing for some cool air north of us, but so far we have been doing very well here in the land of enchantment. This evening you can expect it to stay mostly clear. Temperatures will definitely cool down after sunset, so keep that in mind if you're going to be out and about a little bit later on this evening. And the next few days, they're going to be mild as well, so we're not really going to disrupt this pattern too much over the coming days, but we will see a series of cold fronts march through, and that could dial up some winds, maybe even pull in some cloud cover for some areas, and some of our eastern zones might even see a dip in their daytime highs. Right now at the Sunport, 56 degrees, clear skies, and those wind gusts occasionally above 25-30 miles per hour. Gorgeous sunset is in progress across the board. We're looking great in Ruidoso at 46, holding on to 50 for Rio Rancho and 55 at the Sunport. But the overnight lows are going to be typically cold. We have been trending close to average in the early morning lows. Right now we are cool to the north with a few 40s popping in from Raton to Taos and Durango. But here in Albuquerque, clear skies means radiational cooling and very light winds tonight under 5 miles per hour. So temperatures are definitely going down. We will see our overnight lows dipping into the 20s once again. I've also got my eye on our wind speeds. Right now they're pretty good, but overnight tonight and into tomorrow night, we'll see a series of cold fronts push through the northern and mostly the eastern portion of the state. So that means with this wind gust forecast, by tomorrow morning we could see some winds beginning to ramp up. These are our gust forecasts above 25-30 mile per hour wind gusts, and that's going to continue through the afternoon and early evening hours on Thursday, and then that will subside Thursday night into Friday. We'll do it all over again on Friday with the second of those cold fronts marching through. So the long-term forecast looks pretty good. Overnight tonight we're clear and quiet. We have cold morning lows on the way, 7 a.m. temperatures in the 20s and 30s for most of us. We could even pop in a few teens off toward the east. But then the trough slides off, and that is bringing in more of that warmer air flow. So 50s and 60s tomorrow for most of us as we head on in toward the afternoon. The 7-day forecast is feeling pretty good. Not only will we see our temperatures pulling on into the 50s, we could be in the middle and upper 50s by the time we head toward the end of the week.